In another part of the inundated city, a woman in a green dress carefully descends a set of stone steps, the water already swirling around her ankles. She is joined by a man in swimwear, their shared purpose focused on a small, dark animal, a pet cod. Their quiet, determined effort to save a single life stands in poignant contrast to the immense, impersonal destruction happening all around them. The water respects no boundaries, pouring into homes, lifting furniture, and turning sanctuaries into swirling pools of debris. The scale of the inundation becomes terrifyingly clear. From a higher vantage point, the world appears as a vast ground sea stretching to the horizon. The only markers of the civilization that lies beneath are the skeletal forms of electrical towers and the faint lines of submerged bridges. A solitary red building stands defiantly for time before it, too, is surrounded and besieged. Entire towns are swallowed, the water climbing the walls of buildings, silencing the life within. A large yellow truck, a machine built for heavy burdens, is reduced to a submerged wreck. The response from the outside world begins, but it is a desperate and often perilous endeavor. A red fire truck, an emblem of rescue, plows through a flooded street, its engine roaring against the immense pressure of the water. It creates a massive bow wave, a testament to its power, yet it seems to struggle, almost disappearing at times into the very disaster it has come to fight. In the midst of the watery chaos, a lone traffic officer stands in the deluge, his uniform soaked, continuing to direct a flow of traffic that no longer exists, a solitary figure of order in a world descending into anarchy. The aftermath begins to reveal itself even as the waters rage. Walls are caked in thick mud, and the receding tide leaves behind a tangled mass of splintered wood, personal belongings, and wrecked vehicles. Rescue efforts intensify, becoming more organized. Teams in inflatable rafts navigate the treacherous currents, pulling stranded children and women from the water. A young female rescuer in a bright red uniform and yellow helmet climbs a ladder to safety, her ascent a small but powerful symbol of human resilience against the overwhelming force of the elements.